Hi everyone, welcome back. So today we're going to walk through another Codewars problem. This is the create phone number, and it is a 6 KYU. So essentially we're given an array of 10 integers between 0 and 9 that returns a string, and we're wanting to return a string of those numbers in the form of a phone number. So it gives the example below. So we're given a list of 10 digits or integers, and then really returning it in this particular format, which looks very similar to a format. Or a phone number. So essentially here, what we're going to do first is, because we're given a list of integers, we need to convert those integers to strings. So I'm going to walk through that with a for loop. I know there are other ways that are probably more efficient, but this is, I think, again, a beginner kind of way to walk through converting a list of integers to string, or one particular string. So essentially, I'm going to go ahead and initialize an empty string that's going to be a string of the list number. And then for each number in our list, we're going to iterate through that using a for loop. And then basically, for every number in the list, we're going to add to our string in the string of the number. So lots of string and numbers there involved, but essentially just saying for each number in our list, go through it, add it to our string in, and also convert it to a type string. So that will be really helpful, because that's what the output is looking for, is a type string. So from here, it's really just formatting your return to be in the proper format. And as it says, is like, don't forget the closing parentheses, which the way that I'm going to do it, I'm going to kind of have to make them individually here. Again, there's probably other ways that you can do this using like f-string and other formatting methods, but this is the way I'm going to walk through it. So essentially here, we're adding the parentheses, and then we're actually going to index or slice the string in. We want digits 1, 2, and 3. Which technically through index would be 0, 1, 2, but because the index is exclusive, we're actually not going to get index 3, we're only going to get up to 0, 1, 2. So that's the caveat there. And then I'm going to keep walking through this in terms of the formatting. So we need a space, and then we also need string of in 3 through 6. And then we need the dash. And then we need string of in 6 through the end, which I'm just not going to put anything. So I'm going to go ahead and test this. This may be a little wonky, just making sure that the format looks correct here. But it looks like we passed all of the use cases, which is great. The initial ones, if we go ahead and attempt it, we have passed the random tests as well. So that's the solution.